Practice at 2.2, question number 4. In the question, figure given and the information given is ray AB is parallel to DE. So this ray AB and ray DE are parallel. And measure of angle C is 50 degree, measure of angle D is 110 degree. So asked to find this angle ABC we have to find. So now directly we can't solve this, so extra fitting we have to make, that is construction. So construction, whatever dotted line shown here, it is not given in the figure. We are drawing this, that's why it is shown as a dotted line. Extend ray AB to intersect segment DC. Extend ray AB, extend the line AB to intersect DC. It should intersect DC at point M. Extend ray AB to intersect line DC at point M such that DMC, these are in straight line. This is the symbol of straight line. DMC, these 3 points should be in straight line. Okay, so now solution. So look at this. If AB is parallel to D, this AB full length is parallel to D. Now if these two lines are parallel, focus on this. This is D and E. This is point E. And our line is from M to extended this side. And just these two lines are parallel. These two lines I am drawing separately, DE, and from M to rays goes that side. And whatever this joined line, this you consider as transversal. This is point D. Then what happens if these two lines are parallel and this as transversal? These two angles becomes interior angles, right? So interior angles sum is 180 degree. So here angle, one more point I will take here, that is F. So this is F. So interior angle, this part drawn here. So these two angles will consider as interior angles because these two lines are parallel and interior angle sum is 180 degree. So solution start from mention line DE parallel to line MF and line DM is transversal. If it is so, interior angles, that is angle EDM plus angle FMD is equal to 180 degree. Now EDM is 100 degree. This measure given, FMD not given, right, as it is. So therefore angle FMD is equal to 180 degree, and take this 100 this side, it becomes negative 100. So angle FMD is equal to 80 degree. Okay, so this angle is 80 degree now. This angle is 80 degree. So here this angle and this angle, these are vertically opposite angles, right? It looks vertically opposite angles. So in the next step we will write angle FDM is equal to angle BMC, vertically opposite angles. Therefore angle BMC is equal to 80 degree. So this angle is 80 degree now. Now look at the figure. Here we can see one triangle, that is BMC, correct? So in one triangle two angles are given. So how to find third angle? Sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree, property you know. So apply that property. So mention the triangle particularly. In triangle BMC, angle BMC is equal to 80 degree. Angle BCM is equal to 50 degree, and apply the theorem. What is that? Sum of three angles. How to write sum of three angles? BCM plus CMB plus CBM, three angles. So write here angle BCM plus angle BMC plus angle CBM is equal to 180 degree. What is the property? Sum of angles of triangle is supplementary or 180 degree. So here in the next step, therefore, what is BCM? BCM measure. BCM is 50 degree. So write 50 degree plus BMC, that is 80 degree, plus CBM not given. So you will find next. So 80 plus 50, 130. CBM is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, CBM is equal to 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50 degree. Now, where is CBM here? CBM, this angle is 50 degree. You can write here also 50 degree. Draw the figure little bit big, then you will get space here to write. So next, now focus here. If this angle is 50 degree, angle CBM is 50 degree. So CBA is attached to this, right? So two attached angles lies on the straight line, correct? So these are nothing but linear pair angles. So we will apply linear pair angle theorem here. Linear pair angle test. Therefore, angle ABC plus angle CBM is equal to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair angles. So therefore ABC plus CBM is 50 degree, already found. ABC is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. Therefore angle ABC is equal to 130 degree. This is asked to find in the question.